Right, boys and girls, welcome back to another video, or you know, maybe my first video on the channel, who knows, because I deleted all my old ones. But yeah, so we are heading to, we're going to go meet with 𝗦𝗽cie on his little R125. He is getting a bigger bike soon, so then we can get on the streets of London. But we are heading to ABE Engineering in Greenwich, and then TN Tyres, I believe it is, to get the brake disc fitted. Sorry, yeah, we're going ABE Engineering to go grab a brake disc because mine is also ruined, just like my pads last week. So we're going to collect that, get it fitted and get an MOT then and there. So, and then we should be all sorted, and then we can go enjoy this lovely weather, as you can see. So yeah, I'll catch you when we get to the show with 𝗦𝗽cie. Do I need what? No, I need, is there a cash point? Is there a cash point? So, they've sorted me proper out. The guy that's selling me the brake disc, the company, they've got a fitting station next door. Oh. And he said, do you want an MOT whilst you're here? Oh. Come on. So I get it all done. But it's, mate, it's a long ride. It said 2 hours when I left my house. From like mine, but... Traffic, that's why. Huh? Traffic. Yeah, but we skip it, innit, yeah. I need a plaster as well, because I ripped my finger open yesterday. Yeah, no, but look at that. I was holding the horn when I was trying to replace the old one. Sliced straight through. Grab those, please, mate. That's cool, isn't it? I've probably got no fucking oil again. But I want to top it up so I can start wheeling. I don't think you can top it up. I think you're literally to the full. Oh really? Yeah. Yeah, when I said I'm unfiltering, mate, I didn't say breaking the law. Right, boys, so as I said, we're with 𝗦𝗽cie. He's on his little Yamaha R125. We're going to head to Greenwich, get these, so I actually got a bit of a good deal, to be fair. So new brake disc, 60 quid, fitted, 40, and then I'm getting an MOT done literally like straight after, and that's what, 35, 40 quid? So 140 quid, and I get out in the sun. What more could you want? So I'm chilling. Where the hell is he going? Dickhead. Went the wrong way, mate. So if you're wondering why I'm not fitting the brakes myself, it's just I don't have time. I'm going out on Sunday. I need this MOT done. I had an MOT booked for 1 PM, so if this doesn't go well, then obviously I've still got 1 PM. I just need to make sure it doesn't actually fail today, because I'm working the next 2 days, 12-hour shifts. So I ain't gonna have time to go get it done anywhere else. So yeah, but I am very mechanically minded. I do know what I'm doing. I mean, I built this bike from the ground up. I brought it for like £300, needed a lot of work, and I fixed it all, and it's all now running. It's somewhat healthy. It's getting there, it's getting there. Why did it take you that way? The way we was coming this way. Yeah. Mate, I got the baffling, I got the big plate, I got... Hey, it works, it works. Huh? Yeah.
That's so fucking good. That's so fucking good.
2 hours later.
Mate, how long is this fucking traffic light? What do you want, mate?
Yeah.
Are you recorded?
Nah, I'm charging up my power bank.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, boys, it's a beautiful day. I love it when the sun's out. Even though it's a little bit chilly, I didn't wear enough layers, but should warm up a little bit. Should be about 8 degrees today. That's good for February. Sunniest February we've had in years. Thank global warming for that. So yeah, so we're just gonna make our way to Greenwich. It says an hour and 3 minutes. Shouldn't take us that long because we don't get traffic because we can filter. Pros of having a motorbike in London. Ooh, that Yamaha is popping. Not the R125, obviously. Boys, I'm a little bit bigger than these boys to filter through these little gaps. Just go round, mate. I want one of them. Where are you going? Where are you going? Mate, your maps are shit. Your maps are shit. Is that you, yeah? Is that you, yeah? I won't go through the red light. I won't go through the red light this time. I'll go on the path. Whoa. Oi! I just locked the back brake because I was trying to put my visor down. You know this one? That one? Yeah. Why anyone would want to drive in London is beyond me. I can't lie. The cut on the Range Rover was too close. The cut on the Range Rover was too close. Hey?
So quick. He saw me in the mirror and he just flipped me off. These roads are so fucking confusing.
I know, I don't know what's going on with the maps, man. Right, boys, we have arrived to get the bike sorted. Can't remember where the guy said it was. There's ABE. So, boys, it's somewhere around here. I think it's there, but I'm not sure. It might be there. So, I shall catch you, boys, once we are done. Right, boys, so she's passed her MOT. So we're all good to go for another year. Everything's fine on her. Horn works, rear brake disc is fine. So shout out to ABE. Thanks to them supplying the disc into 2 tyres for fitting it. And then straight next door to 𝗦𝗫cie Suzuki, well, it's 𝗦𝗫cie Scooters and Motorbikes MOT. Got it in straight away, mate. All good prices, so I'm on my way. We're now heading to 𝗦𝗫cie because matey boy wants to get a new helmet, because I told him there's a little deal on at the moment with some sales. So we are gonna... I'm a dickhead, boys. I'm a dickhead. Not even funny. That's Lawrence. He's the guy that did my MOT, so... Sweet as, boys! We're on the road again. Until we're not. Right, so off to 𝗦𝗫cie now. When we get to 𝗦𝗫cie, I'll change my plate and take the baffle out. Throw it straight in the bin. The plate's going in the bin. The lights I'll keep.
Yeah.
Plate's going in the bin though.
How far is it? How far is it?
19 minutes. So like 10, 12. They do coffee and stuff there as well. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nah! Oi! My legs were everywhere! Why would it go so slow? Yeah, that was a bit too close. That was a bit too close. I thought I was done for. Right, boys, so we just got done in 𝗦𝗫cie. I got like a little bum bag, can't really see it because it's around the back, around there somewhere. It's got my recorder in for my H2N zoom. So we're gonna head back to mine now because I got somewhere to be at 3. So yeah, so we'll see what the engine noise sounds like as well on the camera. So yep, so let's go. My chin strap went up. That's more important than that. Uh-oh. Get away from them police. We're fucked. You got no L plates as well, innit? What about the back?
It's there, it's just hidden.
We're meant to go left. Why is yours... Where are you going?
Piccadilly.
We're not going. We're going home, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, going. Oh yeah, you gotta go that way. Gotta go that way. Yeah, yeah. No, go this way. I don't know. It's up to you. But I don't know whether mine's set to like non-motorway, because I set it to non-motorways, but it always changes back. We're gonna go to the A4 home anyway. Boys, it is such a nice day. Like, look at this weather. This is gonna be like a peak summer. This is gonna be like such a good summer. I'm on a bike. I'm getting in the gym again. I'm gonna be wham. What more could you want? Isn't it beautiful? And then you get horse shit. Nice. Fucking idiot. It's a... Jail time, mate! You're going to jail!
I went into the left one and it was off. I was like, oh, I didn't believe it.
I don't think there's any cameras anyway. Do you want me to wheel it? Wheel it. Oh. Hello, mate.
I thought you were going home.
Yeah, I am.